Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll explain the common ways people make money with cryptocurrency. But before we start anything at all, I want to preface this video by saying that this video isn't for everyone. Make sure you follow the rules of your country. If you're from Nigeria, you probably shouldn't be watching this video. However, I realize that 72% of you guys that are part of this audience that are subscribed to my channel are from all parts of the world. And not from my country, so these rules may apply to you. Anyway, before we get started, this is one of a two-part video series. I already talked about how you can buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and the likes via the P2P method. However, right here in this video, I'll be showing you how to actually make money with cryptocurrency. This video is made for beginners in mind. However, if you're an expert, you are also welcome to watch this video. Now make sure you download the Binance app. Why should I download the Binance app, you may ask? Good question. Well, it's funny because this is one way that you can make money. The first 100 people who download the Binance app with my link in the description below and deposit $100, trade with it, just buy any coin or token of your choice, will get rewarded with $5 once you do that. It's free for you to keep or withdraw or whatever. Hey, I can't say no to free money. So yeah, we haven't even gone far into the video and I've already started making money. So you see how this works. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'd love it if you could hit that like button so more people can benefit from the knowledge I will be sharing in this video. And I'll shut up now without further ado. Let's get to the video. In 2017, when I had like 500 subscribers, which was a lot. Now we have passed 200,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Anyway, enough about me. In 2017, I made a video about understanding cryptocurrency, and in that video, I talked about a couple of ways that people, could make money with cryptocurrency. Some of which are still relevant today. One way that I mentioned before was mining, but mining isn't what it used to be, and I'm not sure it's even profitable anymore. If you want to start small, remember we're looking to start with as little as we have and work our way up, and that's the goal of the Finance Friday series. That being said, if you want to learn how to convert your normal cash in the bank to cryptocurrency, make sure you watch my previous video on how to trade via the P2P method. It will be in the card up above somewhere or in the link in the description below. It's a super easy and beginner friendly tutorial, and even the people in the comment section think it was very insightful as well. The first way we will look at making some money with cryptocurrency is investing and trading. Risk warning though, the cryptocurrency market is very volatile. They swing upward and downward, the prices like crazy. However, think of these two terms, investing and trading, in two different buckets. I got this analogy from steals.com, credit to them. Investing is long term and trading is short term. I've made multiple videos on the channel talking about investing strategies, stock markets and the likes. You can watch that with the Finance Friday series. But regarding the crypto space, it simply involves a long-term plan of buying and holding cryptocurrency assets for some time. That is investing. When you go on the trade section in Binance, you can see a thing called spot. Now, what is spot or spot trading? Put simply, it's a method of buying and selling assets, in this case cryptocurrency assets, at the current market price, which is called the spot price. The spot price is the price at which an asset can be bought and sold immediately. This price is created by buyers and sellers where they post their orders. So you can see here the red prices are the sell orders or the sell prices, and the price at which people want to sell for, and the ones at the bottom, the green ones, are the buy prices, is the price people want to buy cryptocurrency. It changes by the second because the market is very liquid. You can change this to show only buy or only sell, on the Binance app, but we'll leave both of them to show for now. Not to go too technical, say we want to buy something like Bitcoin, for instance. I want to buy about $100 worth of Bitcoin with BUSD, which is a stable coin like USDT, where $1 equals 1 BUSD or Binance USD. If you watch my previous videos, you will see what I mean, but I'm sure most people watching this video know what I mean. So now I'll click on the currency pairs and select BTC/BUSD because I want to buy BTC or Bitcoin with BUSD or Binance USD, which is basically buying Bitcoin with dollars. So you can see my available balance right here. Keep in mind that if you bought your coins via the P2P method, like I mentioned in the previous video, you would need to move it from your funding wallet, which is the P2P wallet, to your spot wallet, which is what we've talked about, spot trading, and you'll be able to trade on the current price. From the spot page now, all you need to do is put the exact dollar amount you want to purchase in Bitcoin, and that's pretty much it. you bought Bitcoin. Like I mentioned, investing is more long-term, which is the part where you buy and hold these tokens or coins. Trading, on the other hand, trading is where people exploit the short-term opportunities of the crypto markets. Successful traders have deep, insightful knowledge and skills to analyze charts and things like that. And frankly, it is really risky, but it's possible to make a lot of money, trading. If it was that easy, everyone would do it and there won't be an opportunity to exploit. So definitely consider learning the ropes before getting started with trading at all. I do not really recommend day trading, but it does work if you are ready to open your mind, learn and understand the risks. There are also advanced techniques like futures, margins and things like that, which you can do here on Binance, but it's a whole separate video. It's a whole other video. The second way you can make money with cryptocurrency is staking or lending. Staking in cryptocurrency is almost like having a fixed deposit in your bank account. How do I mean by this? Well, if you stake your crypto, you lock your coins and you cannot spend those coins for a period of time. And after a certain period of time, after the stated period of time, you will get interest or rewarded for that. The reason this is done is almost similar to mining. You see, miners are the people who let cryptocurrency transactions happen with the proof of work concept, where there's a super powerful computer that is used to validate and approve transactions for doing some computing work. Proof of work. For staking, it is called the proof of stake concept, whereby your coins are used to validate transactions. On Binance, for instance, in the mobile app, you would have to go from your wallet section and go to the earn section or the Binance earn section if you're on web. This would show you the options of different coins or products, their APY or annual percentage yield, which is like the interest rate for the year. The third tab is the duration or how long you want your coins locked for. Either you want your coins locked for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days or more. And there are also flexible plans where you can sort of put your coins there and withdraw whenever you like. The interest rate is lower for those. You can also see the high yield options, which have very high percentages, but the returns are not guaranteed, very risky. So basically, to achieve these rates, you would need to lock it, until it reaches that 15-day or 30-day period. And if you're just starting out, something like the USDT that has a fixed saving where you lock it for 60 days for 9% in yearly returns, or technically 1.4% in those 60 days, 30 days for 6%. The flexible is also 3% annualized. Your coins are locked away and it is used to help with transactions on the network while you also make some money. So it's a win for everyone. Transactions are approved with your locked stake or your locked coin. You get interest, and maybe if the coin's prices go up, you get some sort of value. The downside though is that while you gain the percentage, the value of the coin might go down. Of course, there are high yield options for USDT as well, but again, the higher the rewards, the higher the risks associated with them. And as an assignment, in this class, you can also learn about swapping. Just check coin swapping. Third way you can definitely earn income from cryptocurrency is offering a service and adding your specific cryptocurrency as a payment method. One of the things that freelancers experience is usually high fees and delayed payments. Having a payment for a service you render just get caught by almost $100 or more in just fees. That's like 55,000 naira lost. I've used many services like Payoneer to receive payments for work I've done, for some work I've done, and they can almost take a week to get, a small $1,000 payment with so many unnecessary fees. They charge, quite high fees for you to receive the money and for you to spend that money or just transfer it. You get charged on both ends. So it's just unfortunate, and I can't blame them because that's how they make their money. On an app like Binance, for instance, you can select your coin of choice that you want to get paid with. So let's say from Bitcoin, you can copy your Bitcoin wallet address or your USD address or anything and receive your cash with less fees on both parts. Instead of waiting for over a week, you get it in a few minutes from anywhere in the world. Another way you can make money with cryptocurrency is actually by following these platforms on social media and checking out what these platforms are up to. You never know what you might find. And to be honest, even watching a video like this where I sort of encourage you to download the Binance app, deposit $100 and trade with it, and get $5 for free is one of them. However, that's not all. This month, before the 19th of November 2021, that's less than a week from when this video is being published, you stand a chance to win an iPhone 13 Pro, AirPods Pro, and a Samsung device plus some hoodies and some goodies. If you're in Africa, basically, that's what you have to do. Just share the app, get 5 of your friends to sign up with your own link, and create a Binance account with KYC or complete identity verification. The friends you also refer should trade as well, and you can even download the app. But hey, they should trade at least like $50 and fill the form I link in the description below. That's pretty much it. You can make a few cents from referrals, and you also stand a chance to win some pretty amazing prizes. I'll put all of the necessary details in the description below, and I'll also be entering, so I want to win something too. So make sure you download the app with my link as well. Thank you. Now, speaking of rewards, airdrops are free tokens where they are distributed to generate awareness about a project. They're another way that people can make some money with cryptocurrency when they follow the crypto space. If you're part of an airdrop, you get a free coin or a free percentage of the coin that you can trade for actual cash and use to buy stuff when it grows over time. Another way that is not so common is the arbitrage method of making money with cryptocurrency. You can think of it as not so common, but it also is a way people make money. Put simply, arbitrage is the process by which you can buy the same asset or the same coin or the same cryptocurrency on 2 different markets for a different price, and not the same price. So basically, it's about buying the crypto on one market and selling it for a higher price on another market. Whenever there's an arbitrage opportunity, it can sort of be easy and risk-free for traders. So how do I know this? Well, it's very obvious. One of the richest person in the cryptocurrency space, Sam Bankman-Fried, made millions, even billions, I would say, from this difference in price from the arbitrage method. You can read more about this. I'll link an article in the description. Arbitrage is one way you can actually just buy low and sell high consistently and make some money easily. In the end, you want to learn about the field, read a lot of articles, and follow plenty of resources. And of course, if you found this video useful, make sure you drop a like on this video, and of course, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when I post any video. Also, make sure you download the Binance app. What are you waiting for? Yeah, that's free $5 for you right there. And it's $5. How much is $5? Like 2,500 naira or something, I think. Anyway, that's free money for you when you download and deposit $100. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and I'll see you in the next video.